At TrustPoint and Emerge 360, our goal is to help you simplify the complexities of life. We help you plan with purpose.
Everyone's financial journey is different, and at TrustPoint and Emerge 360, we meet you where you're at.
We do that through our financial planning process, where we look at all facets of your financial life, including your investments, your tax strategies, your estate, and we combine it all together to make sure that you have a comprehensive picture that's specific to you.
At TrustPoint, financial planning is helping understand what our clients' wants and what their goals are, whether they're a new saver or someone approaching retirement or someone in retirement. Financial planning is helping someone build a roadmap so that they can retire successfully.
Emerge 360 is really a division of TrustPoint designed to help emerging investors. So it's not always about retirement planning. It could be about paying for education for kids or buying a house or buying a car. It's more everyday financial planning questions that we can help with.
Working with a certified financial planner is very important. They've gone through an extensive amount of training.
Our goal is to help act in a fiduciary manner for you to help you make decisions that are in your best interest. We want to protect what we have and ensure that going forward, our families are taken care of.
Financial planning can be intimidating. I think a lot of people think that they have to know all the details, when really that's the financial planning process, is discovery, learning about our clients, learning about what their needs, their wants, their goals are.
Our job is to help you organize and create a plan for you so that you can feel confident spending time on what matters to you most.
No matter where you are in your financial journey, both TrustPoint and Emerge 360 will be there for you to help achieve your financial goals.
The first part of financial planning allows us to get to know you. Everybody's plan is different, so we want to make sure that we understand what your situation is. We use a 7-step process to make sure your structure for your plan is specific to you.
Financial planning isn't just set it and forget it. It's an evolving plan that has to be reviewed and revisited regularly.
Throughout your plan, we like to meet and do ongoing monitoring to make sure your plan is staying on track. We want you to feel secure as your plan evolves.
It's never too early to start financial planning, even if you don't have a very complicated plan or large estate. It's really important to put decisions in place right away so that when you come into more funds or have more complicated investment decisions to make, you have that plan in place and you have a trusted partner to help make some of those decisions.
Financial planning helps you create some clarity, confidence, and financial peace of mind to be able to move forward in the future. Because we have local offices, we're always here when you need us. You'll be able to walk in, see someone in person, and be able to talk directly with us. Both TrustPoint and Emerge 360 are rooted in the same mission, to help you simplify and secure your wealth.